Hello friends. In the subject of business analytics, today we will discuss the topic production and operation analytics. Production and operation analytics. Production and operation management are more similar than different. If manufacturing products is a prime concern, then it is called production management. Whereas management of services is somewhat broader in scope and that's called operation management. So production and operation management both are different terms. But in combined, production and operational analytics automates analytics for helping end users or system during the decision making process itself, leading to production and operational intelligence. There is also a term called industrial analytics, IA, which describes the collection, analysis, and usage of data generated in industrial operations and throughout the entire product life cycle applicable to any company that is manufacturing and selling physical products. In short, analytics help in production and operation function in following ways. First, production scheduling. As a scheduling is all about arranging, controlling and optimizing work in production process, analytics helps in many ways to improve this particular function. The problem like having a limited production capacity to make all of its offerings as well as fluctuation in demand for those offerings resolved by analytics. This can be done by prepare a forecasting model to predict demand for each product and visualization of the demand forecast via a custom application. This will help by 90% reduction in planning time, reduce reliance on expertise of a single individual, confidence in a planning by reducing human error or bias, as well as continuous application relevance by updating the underlying model with new data. Variable manufacturing overhead cost analytics. Second point. Manufacturing overhead costs are always varying. Example of overhead costs are accounting and legal expenses, administrative salaries, depreciation, insurance, licenses, and government fees, rent, etc. To be profitable on any custom manufacturing project, it is required to monitor and closely control manufacturing overhead cost. Analytics help to solve the problems by a custom built real-time cost tracking application as well as an interactive dashboard which allowing custom views of individual and aggregate data for cross-referencing. This will help as more than 3 times reduction in effort required to accurately measure and track cost, early identification of the impact of various factors, for example, overtime, new employee hire, etc. on overhead, spot the reasons for a hike in overhead cost as well as focus more cost or time on resolving cost issues rather than identifying causes for overhead fluctuations. Third, supply chain analytics. In supply chain, it is required the acquisition of market intelligence to help minimize production cost. For that, managers need to frequently access commodities market data and related news, compare budgets and contract prices with that market data, forecast pricing changes, and update cost models of products to accurately reflect cost of goods. If done manually, this may be time and labor intensive. So, the goal would be make such a system that automatically track market price and commodity data of raw materials and prepare a model and forecast the cost of goods to be sold on a regular basis. Here, analytics help by an application that tracks daily market data for commodities used in production, provide an intuitive tool that builds cost models of finished goods and interactive dashboards that allow the end user to review the cost of each product based on underlying commodity prices. Next, number 4, transportation cost forecasting analysis. Sometimes when product ships across the country via multiple distribution center like DCs and incurs different cost at different DCs at different times, it is required to conduct proactive transportation budget planning with a high level of confidence. In short, the main objective should be to understand why different distribution centers have different costs, identify which costs are most influential to each DC, and predict aggregate transportation cost with confidence. The said issues can be solved with the help of analytics by making an analysis of historical data to identify key cost factors and prepare a budget forecasting model to predict cost. This may be beneficial by confidence in proactive planning by eliminating human error and bias and so on. Last, customer segmentation analytics. Using big data and advanced analytics, manufacturers are able to view product quality and delivery accuracy in real time, as well as making transactions on which suppliers receive the most time sensitive orders. Customer segmentation is required for scheduling manufacturing activities and planning as per the customer demand. Here, the task of the managers would be to profile and segment prospective customers based on quantitative and qualitative data, as well as automate the process of segmentation. Analytics help by making a high accuracy classification model that identifies the technological adoption category of any prospective firm based on its survey response and quantifies the confidence of that results, as well as prepare an interactive dashboard that allows managers to graphically view results, including the overall distribution of prospects across categories. So friends, that's all about production and operation analytics. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you will enjoy more such videos on this channel.